Hi, my name is Peter Chirico from Chirico Physical Therapy and Wellness. And today we're going to go over the proper shoe to wear for plantar fasciitis. But before we go there, the most important thing and first thing we should cover is to make sure that this is truly a heel pain or plantar fasciitis condition, that the root cause of the problem has been solved, because there are other conditions like lumbar spine and SI joint problems that can radiate down to the heel and foot region that sometimes mimic that type of pain and can fool people. So it's important that the condition that we're treating be diagnosed correctly, and it is truly a plantar fasciitis or heel pain condition. So assuming that's been done, we'll move on to the proper shoe to wear for this condition. When you're dealing with an injured foot or a runner's injury, it's important to provide some kind of support for the arch of the foot so that it can be allowed to heal. Wearing flat shoes or flip-flops don't provide any arch support, actually stretch the plantar fasciitis more, which actually aggravates it and worsens the condition because it's already been stretched and now you're overstretching it without any support. So the way you can do that is to buy a shoe with a good arch support or use an insert or orthotic. I recommend something soft or semi-rigid, medium, but not hard. People usually don't tolerate a hard orthotic, so make sure it's soft or semi-rigid. And some people will call that a stability shoe, but that's the idea. We want something to support the arch. It should be comfortable. So I hope this has been of help to you and you've learned something from it. And if you have any other questions about plantar fasciitis, please feel free to contact us, give us a call, or you can contact us through our website at chiricophysicaltherapyandwellness.com. And please feel free to share this on Facebook. And I want to thank you for your time. And have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.